Hey guys, Mixed Media Girl here. So today we're going to do another awesome acrylic pour on a mask project. So Jerry sent me two plastic masks. These aren't actually masks, they're like casting molds for masks for like paper mache, but I'm using them as masks. So the first one, and I'll show you how it looks dried. The first one I actually poured on top of the canvas and then I moved it off and did two separate pieces, and they both dried beautifully. I haven't sealed these yet, but they just look gorgeous. So I took a survey on the next one, and it was unanimous that I attach it to the canvas. So that's what I've done here. I attached it to the canvas, and then I spray painted the whole thing gold because I'm going to be doing a steampunk theme. So what I've done is I've mixed up a ton of metallic paints. I have a bronze. I've mixed up, this is a pearl marmalade. And then I've got like a space gray. They're all metallic colors and they're all Arteza. And they're just beautiful. I am going to actually use one of my split cups for this project. And I'm going to do some white and black in each side. So the white and the black are just Artist Loft Flow Acrylics. And I'm just putting just a little bit in here. And then the rest is going to be those metallics. So I'm going to use some of the bronze. And I'm going to put the colors, I think, in both sides. This one is a metallic brown. I know it looks yellow, but it's not. It's a metallic brown. And I got just boxes and boxes of these Arteza metallic paints, and they are so awesome. This is the Pearl Marmalade. I'm just going to put that, no, put it in both sides, why not? Okay. This is a 12 by 12 canvas, so I'm going to fill this cup up most of the way. Here is that space gray. Okay, and then I am going to use a little bit of the Pearl Sea Green as well. Okay, and now I'm going to go back to bronze. I only put a little bit of the gray and the green. And you know what? I'll do a little bit more of the gray. Okay, so I hope this comes out as awesome as I think it will. And I'm going to basically kind of tree ring this here on top of the mask. And make sure it gets fully covered. And this won't stay like this though, because there will be tilting. Here comes the white and the black. I'm going to kind of leave that off to this side over here. Let the metallics take up a lot of that space. Okay. That looks super awesome already. So as I stretch it out, don't worry, that white will dissipate a bit. And then I would like your votes. I did have a thought here, although I think I might get some more of these masks or something similar. And because Halloween is coming up. So I was thinking about doing one that was Halloween colors and putting lights behind it, doing it more transparent. So remember that the paint has to move around the mask. So it's going to create some different patterns there, as you can see already. And depending on how I tilt it, it's probably not going to go over the mask at all. But it'll go around it and create some interesting patterns. I'll go back this way real quick. I love the shape of this mask too. It's different than the other one. Okay. So at this point, it is fully covered. I think I'm going to go down a little bit. There's a couple lines that I'm not super thrilled with. Okay, I like that. That is awesome. All right, and also what I'm going to do at this point is I'm going to let this sit here for a little while. We're going to see what else develops. So I'm actually going to let this sit, I think, for a couple hours, and then I'll come back and we'll take a look and see how it looks at that point. But yeah, I definitely would like your votes in the comments for the next one if you would like to see me do a whole Halloween theme and actually put some lights behind it. All right, so I'll be right back. Okay, it's been a couple hours. I don't think this is going to change too much more. It seems to kind of be staying as is. Let's do our close-up. So starting in the lower right-hand corner, I think I might have put a little too much white in this, but overall I'm really thrilled with the colors. I think if I were to do it again, maybe slightly less white and maybe also just kind of a pop of blue in there, or maybe another green. But I really, really like how this came out. The patterns and everything are just awesome. I'm kind of considering doing some more embellishments to it, maybe adding some gears, gilding, things like that. So let me know in the comments if y'all have any suggestions on that. And you know, let me know once again if you would like to see a Halloween version of a mask with some lights behind it, because I think that could be really cool. Don't forget to check in the description for all the materials, including these awesome metallic paints, my split cups and everything. And I will see you all next time.